On YouTube Hustle Gang, man, we back at it again with another YouTube video. And as y'all told y'all, the next video from that Honda video is gonna be the video where this car is finally painted. I'm gonna show y'all. Matter of fact, I'm gonna go show y'all right now. It ain't need too much to talk about. I'm gonna come back to y'all when we get to the car.
Like they bidding off the vehicle or something. Hey, did you get a biz or something? God damn. What you doing, a bid? You the auction or something?
Alright, y'all. Alright, y'all. We got the car painted. In my opinion, man, this don't look good. And I ain't even know this paint job had, like, y'all see the pearl. That don't look good. I ain't know that. The headlights, y'all know how we did the headlights. Kurt did the headlights in the last video. They made their car look like a brand new car. Not too many, if any, imperfections at all. I had a run right here, but one of the paint mans that came and fixed that up for me. It was a big old run, y'all, but they fixed that up. But other than that,
oh, so everybody sitting there coming out looking like that.
like this.
I cleaned that motherfucker. You got the
Yeah.
hookup.
I gotta put this emblem on, and then I'm gonna put the Civic. Y'all know how I say Civic right there. No more hole in the bumper. Paint job look good. I'm gonna come back to y'all when I got the emblems back on, and we're gonna head to do the next thing. I think I'm gonna clean this car up before I go to the next thing, which is taking the wheel cover off, because I'm gonna go to the body man shop to do that, because he got the tools to do that. So we're gonna clean this thing up. I'm gonna show y'all what it look like when it's cleaned up and stuff, and all the tire shine and all that type of stuff. And then we're gonna see what we do next. Because right now this thing is ugly. Like, I had took all the hubcaps off. I decided to just go ahead and redo them things, because all of them was messed up for real. And it was just defeating the purpose to just replace one. Alright, you guys, we're actually going to go handle some business regarding another car that I have, an 07 Lexus GS 350. I've actually had this car for quite some time now. I say about a month now. It's been in the shop for like 3 weeks. I had to get shocks done. Actually, I already got the shocks done. I already got the lower ball joints done, and I got the passenger CB axle done. Come to find out, needs a rack and pinion. But it is what it is, though. I actually enjoy driving that car. Like, I ain't gonna lie to you, I kind of miss it. It was comfortable. Besides the shocks, like, I would be bouncing up and down. So yeah, like I said, we're gonna go pick this thing up, and I'm gonna show y'all when I get there. Alright, you guys, we finally got the part. It's an electric power steering. Yeah, I had to bring it out here first, because man, this thing is heavy. It don't even look heavy, but it is, y'all. So it's the power steering, and I'm gonna get to y'all when we get to the mechanic shop. So yeah, when I got the key, I told y'all I was gonna show y'all the car, and we also dropped off the rack and pinion that we just picked up. I'm not supposed to be showing y'all this. I'm really not supposed to be showing y'all. I was gonna do a different video, but we're gonna do like a actual video when I get it back. Man, it's been so long. I ain't gonna show y'all too much, but we're gonna do a cold start. That boy sound good. Man, I miss driving this car, man. Honestly, we might, in another video, we might get this bumper done over and stuff. And this is just the camera making that light right there flash like that. So yeah, y'all, this is the other project that we got. Like I said, I'm gonna show y'all more about it when we hold up. Bro, the radio worked. What? The radio wasn't working at first. No way. What? Oh, hold up. We cannot get a copyright. But yeah, radio was not working at first. I don't know if they did something, or if it took this car to sit for 3 weeks to start working again. I don't know, man. Now we are going to go head back to the body shop to go see what's up with those hubcaps. And yeah, we're gonna try to get all that stuff today with it. We're gonna try to get all the Civic stuff done today. Y'all gonna go ahead and come with me. Y'all make sure y'all stay tuned to the end of the video. And yeah, I'll see y'all at another part of this video. Alright, y'all, we got the hood cap sanded down and everything. I ain't know it was gonna come out looking exactly how it was. That's all they do is just spray silver on them. I ain't know that.
It's more than silver, bro. Little more than silver.
Yeah, silver and clear coat.
Yeah.
It look good too. If any of y'all know some sweet instrumentals for background music, you know, in a YouTube video, drop them down below, y'all. I like to switch it up a little bit. And also, if y'all made it this far in the video, definitely consider subscribing, y'all, turning on post notifications, and smashing that thumbs up button, y'all. We on the verge of 1,000 subscribers. We ready to hit 300. But I'm trying to tell y'all that 300 gonna change to 1,000 real quick, y'all. Got on the hood caps. This thing came a long way. Yeah, I think it came out nice. But yeah, the next thing we probably do is go finish cleaning it up, cause as y'all can see, it's still a little dirty, just a little bit. And then after that, it'll be ready. All right, you guys, we are finally done with the Civic. Y'all let me know down in the comments what y'all think about it. If y'all think we did good with it, didn't take us that long to get it right. Got the tire shine. Got the wheel covers looking good. Y'all remember how the wheel covers looked at first. They was just faded, all that. But we got the tire shine up on her. Got the paint looking good. Y'all remember how these headlights was. Now they just look new now. The hood, the roof, everything was faded. But now, it just look new. Like a brand new car now. Now I see why people like these cars. Things went good. Got it cleaned up in here. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I got Kurt to try to, you know, hit the seats a little bit. It don't look the best, but hey, it's better than what it was. And like I said, make sure y'all smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, join the family. And if y'all new, go watch my last video, because y'all can see what kind of process we went through this car. This car looked crazy at first, y'all. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and end it off right here, and I'll see y'all on the next one.